Hi and welcome back to the course. In this section, we will learn about plot interactivity with Matplotlib. In the first video, we will learn how to create interactive plots. We start with importing required Python modules including NumPy and Matplotlib. We are importing two extra submodules from Matplotlib called Func Animation and Slider. For adding interactivity to plots, Matplotlib offers a lot of different features. As you can see, we are using Jupyter Notebook for code demo in this section too. However, compare previous videos, we need to tell Jupyter Notebook to display interactive plots. We do that by running our magic Matplotlib notebook command to display the animation right over here. Here, we set up our data. We then create our figure, and we set up the figure to create a plot. We define update method. We're setting amp as the current value of the slider. And we update the curve and we draw the canvas using drawIdle function. Then we call the update function on the slider. And finally, we call the show method to display our interactive plot. Now let's run this code to create our plot. And here's our first interactive plot. Look at the slider we created in the code for AMP. By clicking on the slider, we can change the curve of the plot, making this plot interactive. Let's look at few other interactive features of the plot. If you notice, when we take the mouse cursor to the point of the plot, it shows the respective x and y axis values down on the right side of the plot. We can also zoom on certain parts of the plot. We do that clicking on the zoom toolbar button here and then choosing an area of the plot to zoom in. Clicking on the home button here resets the plot to original drawing so that we can start fresh with the animation. This concludes this video.